Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. In this smartphone fingerprint sensor we can find on the back. And let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. Okay, so as you can see, at the first time it doesn't recognize my fingerprint. Okay, right now it looks much better. But when you hear that vibration, it means that it doesn't recognize fingerprint, and I have to move my fingerprint. I mean my finger. But probably I just put it in the bad position, because right now when I put it in the same position, it can recognize my fingerprint every time, and it works really nice, really smooth. Maybe it's not the faster sensor, but of course this smartphone this smartphone got few years, so you know. Okay, so as you can see, when you put your fingerprint in good position, in a good place, like that, it will recognize it every time, and it's not that bad. Oh, right now I can even say that it works really fast. So, as you can see, the sensor in this smartphone works good. I can recommend you this kind of the biometric settings. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.